Hi viewers, and welcome you all to my channel. So this is my daughter's hair Monachimuso. I know a lot of you will be wondering why I decided to be making this type of hairstyle on her hair. So guys, her dad took me unaware to the salon to make her this type of hairstyle. So guys, I can't even imagine amount of hair share this is going to be shared in, because I don't make her unnecessary excessive hairstyle, because while plating it is going to be breaking, and while losing it is still going to be breaking. That is the reason why I avoid this type of hairstyle, because of the length of her hair. So she told me that the woman used a heat to comb her hair, which is going to be leading to hair shed. So I am scared. So guys, I'm scared. So I know a lot of you will be wondering what I applied on this hair. You'll be wondering what I applied on this hair. So guys, we'll be making rice hairspray. So we are going to be making rice hairspray. This is exactly what I applied on her hair. So in this rice spray, this is what you need. So I only use dry rice to make this spray. So this is dry rice. So this is all this rice and oil, a hair growth oil. This is what we'll be going to be needing in this video. So I will quickly add in water. So I'm going to be adding water in it. So guys, just pay attention in this video. Do not skip this video in any way, so that you'll be understanding what I just did in this video. So guys, I will quickly wash this, because you are going to be speeding it off. So you are going to be rushing it. So I'm going to be washing this quickly. So there is dirt in the normally there is dirt in the rice, so which you are going to be washing out. So which I just did right now. So I'm going to be washing the rice out. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to be, after washing it out, then I'll be adding I'll be adding a little water. So this water is going to be serving as the water that you use to soak the rice. So this water is going to extract all the nutrients in the rice. You understand what I mean? So after this, I'm going to be leaving it for 3 to 4 hours, depending on your time. If you want to leave to the next day, fine and good. So this is my rice after 4 hours. So it has already swollen up. The rice have already risen up. So guys, I'm going to scrub a little bit, so that I'll be extracting all the nutrients in this rice. So guys, after this, I'm going to be straining it out. So guys, if there is anything this rice is going to offer you while eating it, so it's already now in the water. So it is already now in the water. So, and this is water is what we'll need in this rice. So everything the rice offers, all the nutrients in the rice, it is packed here in this water you are seeing. Because this water you are seeing, it is a strong natural treatment rich in amino acid, vitamins and inositol. It penetrates in the hair shaft to strengthening strands and reduce breakage, and also detangles, and also add shine to your hair. It also supports a healthier scalp environment, and indirectly boosting your hair growth. Also prevents a hair breakage. Rice water is loaded with protein. It fortifies the hair cuticles by reducing split ends and damage caused by brushing or styling. So guys, in this preparation, I added oil. So it is a hair growth oil. Any type of hair oil that you have, you'll be adding in it for moisturizing. So I didn't explain that side. So after this, I'm going to be, you see the way I applied it in. So after this, before I just forget, I'll be washing this after 2 hours, 3 hours, depending. If you have time, you can leave it to 5 hours before you wash out. So guys, I'll be stopping here. If you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to push to other people who are interested in this type of video. I love you all, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, please guys. I love you all. Bye bye. See you on my next